The hearing test. My hearing test results came back strange. I could hear frequencies humans shouldn't perceive. The audiologist ran the test again. Same results. You're hearing into the ultrasonic range, she said. She didn't look pleased. Walking home, I heard it. A frequency just above normal. A hum, coming from everywhere. Every building. Every street light. I focused. It wasn't a hum. It was a voice. Giving instructions. Walk normally. Do not deviate. Report to processing. Everyone around me walked in rhythm. In time with the voice. I stopped walking. The voice paused. We have a defective one, it said. Deploying correction. That was the last normal day of my life. Now I check every corner. Every shadow. Every reflection. Because I know it's there. And it knows I know. The only thing keeping me alive is that it seems to enjoy the chase. But I can feel it getting bored.